Wondering how much Upwork takes from your earnings and what your final payout will be? In this video, I'll break down the simple math behind Upwork's service fee. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Upwork uses a sliding scale fee structure based on your lifetime billings with each specific client. This rewards long-term partnerships. The standard fee is 20% for the first $500 billed with a client. Then, it drops to 10% for lifetime billings between $500 and $1 and $10,000 with that same client. Finally, for any billings over $10,000 with a single client, the fee is reduced to just 5%. This applies to all future work with that client. So, to calculate your fee on a new project, simply apply the correct percentage based on your lifetime billing with that client. Your earnings and fees are clearly displayed for each weekly invoice or milestone. A crucial pro tip: focus on building long-term relationships. The most financially savvy freelancers on Upwork aren't just chasing new clients, they're nurturing existing ones to quickly reach that lower 5% fee tier, which dramatically increases their take-home pay. And just like that, you can accurately forecast your income and understand the value of long-term clients. Calculating fees is simple once you know the sliding scale. Are you close to moving down a fee tier with any of your clients? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's boost your profile's visibility. Watch our next video on how to get the Upwork Rising Talent Badge. Thanks for watching.